How to connect with Gen Z, tips and tricks from the experts. Meet Generation Z, the tech-savvy, socially conscious group that's shaking up the market. Want to connect with them? Here's how. First, embrace technology. Gen Z lives online, so meet them there. Social media is key, especially Instagram and TikTok. Second, authenticity matters. Be real, be transparent. Gen Z values truth and consistency over perfection. Next, prioritize sustainability and social issues. Gen Z cares about the planet and social justice. Show that you do too. Lastly, engage and interact. Gen Z wants a relationship, not just a transaction. Get involved in conversations, listen to their voices. Remember, connecting with Gen Z is about understanding and respecting their values.